welcome back to another video, and today we'll go somewhere which took me quite a bit to do and everything. It's took me about 6-7 months and it's cost me an arm and a leg and everything. So I'm just going to get right into it and show you. So, my 2004 Bigot and everything. You know, Fox 40s on it, root pulls, hope brakes. Everything, I've gone all out on it. It's cost me an arm and a leg. Just need to do a bit of tuning on it. So I'll just go over my bike now and tell you what's on it and everything. So let's get into it. So what I put on it, I've put Hope float rotors 203s, Hope discs, Hope 4 pots, race face Chester pedal arms. What I'm getting renewing the pedals on it. Gorilla mud guards, Hope seat clamp. I got the frame painted white and everything. Looks nice on it. Got Bigot stickers with Specialised on it and everything. So I've got Fox 40s with new stickers. So it's got the Gorilla mud guard and the rotors and everything on the front, same as the back. And ODIs both sides. We've got rumple bars. Got that. I got the clamp, got the Hope bearings and end cap. I got the Hope headset and the RRP thingy guard. Then I got the Hope cassette in the chain ring, the FSR for this bike, and SRAM X5 front, back and SRAM X5 for the thingy 9-speed. Then I went to gold cassette and chain, KMC chain I think it's called. Two blue jockey wheels, them and everything. And as well, I've got to say, we'll do a before and after picture as well of my bike, what it used to look like, and it looks like now as a still photo. You know, because you've already seen it, you know what I'm showing you, but I'm just going to show you a still photo and a photo of it now. So, cheers. Yeah, I just need a couple more parts for it, see a couple more bits and bats and everything. So, but thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. Help us get more, up to 50 subscribers and everything, and just help us out a lot more. And even the comment box, what you want to see next. See if you see bike builds, or see more bike rides, or how to tune get the stuff, or how to put things on bikes. If you want to see that, if you want to see that, just give us a comment. See what you want to see. So, like I said before, give us a comment, subscribe, a like, share on everything. So, thanks for watching.